Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika. Today I am here to do a very quick review and swatches on the new Nars Pleasure Seeker Afterglow Lip Balm Set. So if you'd like to see how beautiful this new holiday set applies, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna get right into it. You get two full-size lip balms in here, and you get two travel-size lip balms in here. As you see, all of these lip balms apply really lovely. As I said at the beginning, you get two full-size lip balms in here and two travel-size lip balms in here. They all swatch and apply really lovely. You don't get much of a color payoff from any of them, I would say. It's just really a slight tint, but if you know Nars lip balms, they're really moisturizing. They're not at all sticky or greasy. It's just really nice on the lips. And as winter is approaching here in New York, I would absolutely recommend these to anyone who lives somewhere where it's cold. If you do have dry lips and you're trying to take care of your dry lips like I am, I would absolutely recommend these as well. And let me just show you ladies my nails. Look on my Instagram. I have a section where I place my nails. I even have a link below of my TikTok that I recently started, where I am reviewing some of these products that I review here on YouTube on my TikTok. And I'm also always showcasing my nails. That's really what my TikTok is about for now. I really hope this review was helpful to someone, and if you are new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.